let's go. Welcome back to another video. Another day, another banger. Guys, this is my best friend. Yeah, guys. It's Kian, guys. We're back. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. I'm gonna show you guys all the pictures and videos. Thanks for watching.
Bro.
Bye.
Bye, bro.
Bye. I was too shy to go inside this classroom. I'm so sorry.
Kaluluwa ng ating bayan. Ang pag-ibig at paggamit ng pilinika ay paggamit ng mga kasaling bansa. Sa kabuuan, ang kasabihan ng pagkakulong aral dapat sa kanyaan ang pagmanapili ng Pilipinas. Maraming salamat. Ikaw ay pala. Susunod naman ay
Say hi. Guys, this is my friend. This is my friend, guys. He's so cute. This is so insane. Guys, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. Let's go! Guys, look at the birds. OMG! Bro, sometimes I start thinking it's real, but it's really not real. Those aren't real. Look at the tarsiers, guys, and the birds. Say bye, bro.
Bye, guys.
Bye.